What if I told you there's a 700-year-old Viking design secret that's making modern homes more beautiful, durable, and sustainable than anything built today? I'm talking about Scandinavian log barn design, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why architects worldwide are racing to adopt these timeless Nordic principles. Stick around because I'm revealing the exact design elements that make these structures last for centuries, and a modern twist that's revolutionizing home building in 2026. Before we dive in, if you love discovering unique architectural styles and sustainable building methods, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss our design breakdowns. Also, drop a comment below telling me which Scandinavian design element you're most excited about. Let's jump right in. What is Scandinavian log barn design? Scandinavian log barn design is an architectural style that originated in the Nordic countries of Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Finland, and Iceland. These aren't just any barns. We're talking about structures that were engineered to survive brutal winters with heavy snow loads, designed to be built with limited resources, and created to last multiple generations without modern materials or technology. The design emerged out of pure necessity. When you're facing 6 months of winter, temperatures dropping to -40 degrees, and snowfall that can pile up to 6 feet or more, your building better be smart. The Scandinavians developed techniques that have stood the test of time for over 700 years. Vikings used pine tar to preserve their wooden ships that sailed the brutal North Sea, and they applied that same knowledge to their buildings. What makes these barns so special is their combination of form and function. Every design element serves a purpose. That steep roof isn't just for looks. It's engineered to shed snow before it becomes a structural problem. Those vertical timber lines aren't decorative. They're designed for optimal water drainage. The traditional red tar treatment on slow-grown pine isn't just beautiful. It's a centuries-old preservation technique that naturally protects wood from rot, insects, and moisture. Modern Scandinavian log barn design takes these ancient principles and updates them with contemporary materials, energy efficiency standards, and today's aesthetic sensibilities. The result is stunning. You get the warmth and character of traditional Nordic architecture combined with modern comfort and sustainability. Key design characteristics. Let me break down the essential elements that define authentic Scandinavian log barn design. Understanding these will help you recognize the style and appreciate why it works so brilliantly. The steeply pitched gable roof. This is the signature element. Scandinavian log barns feature roofs that slope downward at an angle between 35 to 45 degrees. Some modern interpretations go even steeper at 45 to 58 degrees for that dramatic diagrammatic house shape. This steep pitch was born from necessity to help structures shed heavy snowfall during harsh Nordic winters. Without this slope, snow accumulation would collapse roofs under the massive weight. But here's the genius part. That steep pitch also creates incredible interior volume. You get soaring vaulted ceilings, perfect for haylofts in traditional barns or dramatic living spaces in modern homes. The high ceilings improve air circulation and create a sense of openness that's become a hallmark of Scandinavian design. No eaves design. Unlike traditional architecture where eaves extend beyond walls for weather protection, Scandinavian log barns feature clean lines with a roofline continuing directly to the wall line or creating a hooded effect. This creates that iconic diagrammatic house outline, the simple triangular shape that looks like a child's drawing of a house. It's minimalist, striking, and immediately recognizable. Vertical cladding. Traditional Scandinavian log barns use vertical timber cladding rather than horizontal. This isn't just aesthetic. Vertical boards follow the natural direction of rainfall, making them optimal for water drainage and preventing moisture penetration. The vertical lines also create visual height and emphasize the barn's connection to the surrounding forest environment. Common profiles include shiplap, feather edge, square edge, and tongue and groove. Modern versions often use thermally modified wood like thermopine or thermo-ius, which undergoes heat treatment at 180 to 215 degrees Celsius to enhance durability, stability, and weather resistance without any chemical additives. The pine tar treatment. This is where tradition meets innovation. Traditional Scandinavian barns used pine tar, a natural wood preservative made by cooking down pine stumps to yield a syrupy, resin-rich liquid. This treatment has been used since Viking times to waterproof ships and protect buildings. Pine tar creates a moisture barrier, deters insects and microorganisms, lets wood breathe naturally, offers UV protection, and highlights the wood's natural beauty. It's available in earth tones including the iconic Scandinavian barn red, as well as black, brown, gray, and dark green. The red version comes from slow-grown pine treated with red tar, a centuries-old Scandinavian technique particularly popular in northern regions and on the island of Gotland in the Baltic Sea. In 2026, pine tar is experiencing a major comeback as builders seek natural, sustainable alternatives to synthetic treatments. It requires reapplication every 5 to 10 years and has a distinctive campfire smell that can linger for months. But for those committed to authentic, eco-friendly building, it's unmatched. Scandinavian redwood and pine. The wood species matters tremendously. Authentic Scandinavian log barns use slow-grown Scandinavian redwood, also called Scots pine or Pinus sylvestris. This timber is harvested from privately owned FSC or PFC certified forests in Scandinavia and Russia. The slow growth rate, due to harsh Nordic climates, creates dense timber with tight grain patterns. This results in superior strength, stability, and durability compared to fast-grown timber from warmer climates. The sapwood is creamy white to yellow, while the heartwood ranges from yellowish-brown to reddish-brown. When treated or naturally aged, it develops that gorgeous patina that Scandinavian design is famous for. Simple, clean lines. Scandinavian design philosophy emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. Log barns embody this through clean, straight lines, absence of decorative ornamentation, and honest expression of materials and structure. There's no hiding the construction. The beauty comes from the quality of materials and craftsmanship, not from applied decoration. Modern interpretations in 2026. Fast forward to 2026, and Scandinavian log barn design is having a massive moment worldwide. Architects and homeowners are embracing these principles for contemporary homes, vacation properties, and even commercial buildings. Here's what's trending right now. The modern Nordic Barndominium. One of the hottest trends is adapting Scandinavian log barn aesthetics to Barndominium living. These combine the open, functional barn structure with modern residential amenities. Think 2,000 to 5,500 square feet of living space with that distinctive steep-pitched roof, floor-to-ceiling windows bringing natural light flooding in, and thermally modified with cladding in contemporary dark finishes like charcoal gray or matte black. These modern interpretations maintain the traditional profile, but use updated materials. Fiber cement cladding products can mimic the vertical timber look while offering superior weather resistance, fire resistance, and virtually zero maintenance. Products like James Hardie's Axon cladding or Stria cladding perfectly capture the vertical joint timber aesthetic with modern geometric lines. Dark and brooding color palettes. While many people associate Scandinavian design with light and bright interiors, the 2026 trend for exteriors is decidedly dark. We're seeing dramatic facades in charcoal, black, deep gray, and dark green. This creates stunning contrast with natural landscapes and gives homes a sophisticated, contemporary edge while honoring traditional pine tar treatments in black and dark earth tones. The contrast palette is key. Pair dark vertical cladding on upper levels with lighter horizontal weatherboard on lower sections, or use natural wood tones on accents against a dark primary facade. This creates visual interest while maintaining that clean Scandinavian aesthetic. SAP construction for better performance. Structural insulated panels, or SIPs, are becoming the preferred construction method for modern Scandinavian-inspired barns. SIPs create an incredibly tight building envelope, speed up construction dramatically, provide superior insulation values, and maintain the clean lines essential to the aesthetic. A 3,700 square foot Scandinavian-style barn house built with SIP construction can go up in weeks rather than months, while achieving energy efficiency that far exceeds traditional framing. This aligns perfectly with Scandinavian values of functionality and sustainability. Indoor-outdoor connection. Modern interpretations emphasize the relationship between interior and exterior spaces. Large sliding glass doors, expansive window walls, outdoor decks integrated with the structure, and materials that flow from inside to outside create seamless transitions. This reflects both traditional Scandinavian connection to nature and contemporary lifestyle preferences. Sustainable material innovation. 2026 brings exciting sustainable material options. Thermally modified timbers offer the look of rare tropical woods without environmental impact. Reclaimed and recycled wood products for authentic character. Natural fiber insulation materials, and low VOC finishes and natural oils for interior treatments. The focus is on materials that are beautiful, durable, and kind to the planet. Interior design elements. The interior of Scandinavian log barns deserves special attention because it's where the magic really happens. High vaulted ceilings. Those steeply pitched roofs create soaring interior volumes. Modern Scandinavian barn interiors feature exposed timber ceiling beams, V-groove wood paneling following the roof pitch, skylights positioned to maximize natural light, and dramatic vertical space that makes rooms feel expansive even with modest square footage. Open-plan living. Scandinavian design embraces open, connected spaces for light-filled environments. Traditional barns had minimal interior partitions out of structural necessity, and modern interpretations continue this with great rooms combining kitchen, dining, and living areas, flexible spaces that adapt to changing needs, and minimal visual barriers to maintain spaciousness. Natural light obsession. Natural daylight is precious in Scandinavian winters with limited sun exposure. This created an obsession with maximizing light that continues today. Design strategies include oversized windows, multiple window orientations to capture light throughout the day, skylights and roof peaks, light-colored interior finishes to reflect illumination, and strategic mirror placement to amplify brightness. Neutral color palette with wood warmth. Interior colors follow Scandinavian minimalism. Bright whites and off-whites for walls, warm timber tones for ceilings and structural elements, light-toned gray stone or concrete for floors and accents, and dark accents in charcoal or black for definition and contrast create the signature look. The goal is creating simple spaces with minimal clutter where quality materials and natural light do the talking. Hygge philosophy. The Danish concept of hygge, pronounced hygge, is essential to Scandinavian barn interiors. It refers to cozy contentment and happiness from enjoying simple pleasures. You create hygge through soft textiles like wool, linen, and cotton throws, comfortable furnishing focused on gathering spaces, warm lighting from candles and soft fixtures, natural materials throughout, an emphasis on warmth and welcoming atmosphere. Practical considerations. Before you rush off to build your Scandinavian dream barn, let's talk practical realities. Construction costs. Building authentic Scandinavian log barn-style structures costs more than basic construction due to premium materials and specialized techniques. Slow-grown Scandinavian timber costs more than standard lumber. Thermally modified wood runs significantly higher than untreated options. Pine tar application requires proper technique and multiple coats. SIP construction has higher upfront material costs than stick framing. However, long-term value often exceeds initial investment. These structures require minimal maintenance. Exceptional durability means decades of service life. Superior insulation reduces energy costs substantially, and timeless aesthetic maintains property value. Climate adaptability. While designed for harsh Nordic winters, these principles adapt surprisingly well to various climates. The steep roof works beautifully anywhere with significant rainfall or snow. Excellent insulation and tight envelope suit both cold and hot climates. Natural ventilation from high ceilings helps in warm weather. The traditional red tar pine treatment holds up in diverse conditions. That said, extremely humid climates require additional moisture management, while hot, dry climates may need supplemental cooling strategies. Sourcing materials. Finding authentic materials can be challenging outside Scandinavia. Look for FSC or PFC certified Scandinavian timber suppliers, specialized importers of pine tar and natural finishes, thermally modified wood producers, and architects or builders experienced with the style. Many builders successfully achieve the aesthetic using locally sourced alternatives. North American cedar, thermally treated domestic pine, and modern fiber cement products that mimic the vertical timber look all work well. Scandinavian log barn design represents something rare in architecture. a style that's simultaneously ancient and modern, rustic and refined, simple and sophisticated. These structures have survived centuries because they embody timeless principles of honest materials, functional design, connection to nature, and exceptional craftsmanship. In 2026, as we face climate challenges and seek more sustainable building practices, these Nordic principles offer genuine solutions. They show us that beautiful design doesn't require excess, that traditional techniques often outperform modern shortcuts, and that buildings can honor both heritage and innovation. Whether you're planning to build your own Scandinavian-inspired barn, renovating an existing structure, or simply appreciating architectural excellence, understanding these design principles enriches your perspective on what makes buildings truly great. If you found this deep dive into Scandinavian log barn design valuable, show some love by hitting that like button. Subscribe if you want more content on unique architectural styles, sustainable building methods, and design inspiration from around the world. Drop a comment telling me which Scandinavian design element resonated most with you, or share your own experience with Nordic architecture. I read every comment and love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one where we're exploring another fascinating architectural style.